Hello 5th grade. This video is for Miss Santiago's kiddos who are doing chapter 9 of Restart. I'm going to read the questions to you in case no one at home can read them to you. So again, chapter 9 questions. What I want you to do is keep this video open and also open the tab with your actual questions so that you can pause my video with me reading and go answer your question, go look up your answers, and then come back and play for the next question, and so on and so forth, okay? Or if you have someone to read it at home to you, that's great as well, okay? So let's start with number 1. Why did Mrs. Swanson give Chase $20? So why did she give him $20? So again, I want you to go back and use your text evidence. Go read through the chapter again and find your answer in the story, okay? So like I said, pause the video and go answer your question and then come on back. Number 2, do you think you would have kept the money? Why or why not? Okay, so if you would have kept the money, why would you have kept it? And if you didn't keep the money, why did you not keep the money? Okay, so pause the video and go answer. Remember to use complete sentences. Okay, number 3. Why do you think Mr. Solway isn't nice or friendly to Chase and his friends? So why isn't Mr. Solway nice or friendly to Chase and his friends? Okay, this is a good opportunity for you to go into the story and use text evidence. Find proof. How do you know this is why Mr. Solway isn't nice? Okay. So that's it. Just those 3 questions. Okay. Use your text evidence. Use complete sentences. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything.